Good morning, my dear students. How are you today? How's everything? I hope you are fine. Let's continue our story and let's first decide our learning outcomes today. Our learning outcomes or objectives today. Number 1, to identify the topic of the story. Number 2, to use graphic organizer to analyze text to aid comprehension. Before, I taught you that the author's purpose. The author is the writer of the story, and for sure the writer wrote the story in the past to give us something or to tell us something. Here, the author wrote the story to give the facts and information about the main topic. So today we have to know what's the topic of this story. From the title of the story, At Home in the Ocean, I can note the topic. The topic here is the ocean and what's living inside. What's inside the ocean? First, we have to tell me what is the meaning of the ocean. Who knows? Okay. What's in the ocean? Okay, the ocean is a very big space of water. It's blue. It's very big. Okay, I can see there many different kinds of plants and animals living in the ocean. Some animals live on the top of the ocean to breathe. The others can go deep inside the ocean down to live at the bottom of the ocean where it is very dark and it is very cold. So I can see different kinds of animals, and I can see here the water is not always cold. I can find some parts in the ocean are warm. If you remember, yesterday we took the animals penguins. We said that penguins can live in cold water, while the manatees live in warm waters. Both of them are living inside the ocean. Today, the author will give us more information about another animal. Let's start. Okay, we will start with this animal. It's called sea turtle. Sea turtle. Okay, I will show you a video about sea turtle and we will see and we will know information about. If you see here, the turtle swims.
Eggs at a time. Called the
We
clutch.
will go back
These
little.
large 50 eggs at a time. Fossils of its prehistoric ancestor, D. paddlei.
Yes, this sea turtle lives inside and outside the ocean. I can see here flippers. The flippers help the turtle to swim in the ocean. I can see,
Sea turtles can lay more than 150 eggs.
yes, this hard shell, it help and protect the turtle from the other animals. Very good. Then,
At a time.
what's the turtle doing here? It digs into the sand. Why? See, why?
Called the clutch. These large egg deposits.
Wow, to lay the eggs. So the turtle digs in the sand to lay eggs. See how many eggs here? So I can say that the one turtle can put more than 150 eggs on one time. Can you imagine? So the sea turtle can put more than 150 eggs in one time. And it digs in the sand to lay eggs. Then what happened to the eggs?
Help ensure the survival
We will
of
see.
sea turtle hatchlings.
After laying eggs, The turtle swims back to go to,
Female lays her eggs.
see,
She returns
to go to the ocean. It's home again. Very good. Then
sea, leaving her hatchlings.
we can see here the baby turtle hatch from the eggs, and then I can see also it has flippers to swim in the ocean.
To fend for themselves.
See? Okay. So, how many facts now I know about the turtle? I know that the turtle uses their flippers to swim. These flippers. Okay? The turtle can swim for long distance and for far. Okay? The turtle go to dig into the sand and lay eggs. How many eggs in one time? More than 150 eggs in one time. Okay. Then it swims back to the ocean. The baby turtle comes out of the eggs and also will go to the ocean or to the sea because it has flippers. See how many details, how many facts we know about the turtle now. Okay? Understand? It's okay. We will read. Just read. This turtle swims far. This turtle swims far. It digs in the sand and lays its egg. Then it swims back to its home ocean or its ocean home. Okay. Here I can see one plant and one animal. We will learn or know about the plant. Okay? So, this is the plant.
Young kelp must compete for space to settle and grow, as the rocky bottom is carpeted with smaller algae and invertebrates like anemones and sponges. The stipe is similar to a
Yeah. See, it's clear? Is it clear? See how long and how big this plant. So that's why this plant is the biggest plant in the ocean. What's the name? Kelp. What's the name? Kelp. So kelp is the biggest plant in the ocean. That's why kelp needs a big space to grow and live. And the kelp finds the ocean as a good home to grow and live there. So again, kelp is the biggest plant and it needs a big space to grow and live. That's why the kelp, this is a plant, finds the ocean is a good home to live and grow there because the ocean also is very big. Now you understand? Okay. Kelp is a very long and it grows very fast and it grows 2 feet in one day. This kelp is very big plant and needs a big space to grow. So I can find this kelp in the ocean because the ocean is very big space. We will read together. Kelp is the biggest plant in the ocean. It can grow fast. The kelp can grow 2 feet in a day. In one day, it can grow 2 feet. So kelp is the biggest plant and it needs a big space to grow and to live. That's why it takes the ocean is a good home to grow and live there because the ocean is very big. Now we will go to this animal. This is the fourth animal. What's the name of this animal? Wow. Yes, it's sea otter. It's an otter. Okay. We will see on this video what's a sea otter. See?
Kelp forests can be seen along much of the west coast of North America.
The glaciers unstable, immediately accepted by these
See?
notoriously shy creatures. It's a privileged insider's view of the most sociable otter of all. Here, they not only have company.
These are sea otters. What's the food of the otter? Is crab, urchins. Okay, this is the food. This is one of these sea otters' food. Okay, the other one, no. Urchins. Okay, so sea otters live in the ocean because sea otters can find different food or different kinds of food in the ocean. That's why I can find sea otter there. Okay. My question here, what reason does the author give for why the ocean is a good home? I asked you this question before. For kelp and sea otters to live. We will read together. Kelp grows very fast. Kelp is the biggest plant in the ocean. It needs a very big space to live and grow. The ocean is very big, so kelp has the ocean as a good home to grow and to live. The sea otters take the ocean as a good home also because sea otters can find their food or a lot of food inside the ocean. Lots of food there. Now you understand? Okay. Let's go to the last page, 28 and 29. If we can see here, we can find different kinds of fishes and some animals and some plants. So the ocean is a good home for many animals and for many plants. We will read. Lots of plants and animals, big and little, big and small, yes, live in the ocean. The ocean is their home. Okay. I can ask, are there only animals in the ocean? No, I can find animals and plants together in the ocean. The author and the writer wants to tell us that the ocean is a good home to the plants and to the animals. Why? Who can tell me why? Why the ocean is a good home for some animals and plants? Okay, let me tell you. The ocean is very big. This is one fact. The ocean I can find some animals need cold water and need also warm water. So the ocean is not always cold, but I can find some parts in the ocean are warm also at the same time. Number 2, the ocean is very big and For example, we can find kelp is the biggest plant there because kelp needs a very big space to grow and live. So the ocean is a good home. The ocean has different kinds of life for many different animals and plants. So the ocean is a good home for some plants and some animals. Good. Okay. My essential question is, what kind of animals and plants would you find in the ocean? Okay. Here we finished our story. Here we will go to this paper. It's called the graphic organizer. Here I can find I can write what's the topic. Who can tell me what's the topic of the story? I'm waiting. You have to think again. What's the topic of the story? Think more. Okay. The topic of the story is called marine habitat. Marine habitat means that the story is talking about the ocean and what are the animals and plants that can live there and why. So the story or the main topic is about the ocean and why the ocean is a good home for many plants and many animals and why they can live there. Okay. Now you understand? Then you will put here some details. You can put details about the penguins, about kelp, about sea otters, about manatees, whatever. What do you like? You can put here as a detail. Okay, you can get from the story. Okay. Here, this is a writing model. It's about penguins. Here he is explaining what's the topic and what's the details. What's the difference between writing sentences that inform. We will read here in the box. Penguins are unusual birds. Most penguins are black and white. Penguins walk slowly. Penguins can't fly, but they are good swimmers. So we can find here penguins are unusual birds is the main topic, the general idea. What's this writing talking about? About penguins. What are the facts and details? 3. Penguins are black and white. Penguins walk slowly. Penguins can't fly, but they are good swimmer. And some question below, you will find the answer of the question from this writing. Number 1, what kind of writing is this? What's this kind of writing? So this kind of writing is informational text because it gives me more information about penguins. Okay, how do you know? How do you know? By using some words to inform us. Okay, I can find some details and facts. What's the job of the topic sentence? What's the job of the topic sentence? You can find the answer here. We will read the answer. What kind of writing? It gives information. The sentence gives facts. Okay. What's the job of the topic sentence? The topic penguins are unusual birds. It gives me more information and facts or details about the penguin. The main topic tells us what we will write, what we will learn. Okay. Number 3, what facts and the details tell about penguins. 3 facts I have here about penguins. Number 4, which word tell how penguins walk? Penguins walk slowly. Now you understand? The last slide here is I wanna tell you that you have to read every day the story to keep in your mind every details. Thank you. Goodbye and see you soon.